EIA, or Environmental Impact Assessment, is the study of the environmental impact of a proposed industrial or infrastructural project, which falls under the Environment Protection Act of 1986. Projects like mining of coal, thermal, nuclear, and hydropower projects, development of infrastructure, real estate, and other industrial projects come under the purview of EIA. EIA compares various aspects of proposed developmental projects to maintain a balance between environmental and economic implications, ensuring minimal environmental hazard and rejecting projects that may have adverse consequences. A new draft introduced in 2020 has been widely criticized. The new draft allows post facto clearance. It means any developmental project that starts operations without environmental clearance will be given a clean chit. Further, any project that the central government categorizes as strategic will automatically get a clearance. Recent episodes of hazardous oil leaks in Visakhapatnam and Assam are examples of why India needs to safeguard EIA. Interestingly, any violations in these projects can only be reported by a government official or a project proponent, but not by a citizen. This means communities living in and off nature, such as the many tribes of India, get to have no say if their land and indigenous identity is robbed in the name of development. Thankfully, a large segment of the public and media are raising their voice against Draft 2020. Student bodies, youth activists, lawyers, journalists, and environment experts have all raised concerns against the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change for rushing to pass the draft and take such a high-impact step against the forests of India. Terming the EIA Draft 2020 anti-Northeast, various Assam groups and parties have raised concerns.
Important draft that is EIA draft 2020. I think more people should discuss about it and spread the word that how this draft can be indeed a matter of great threat to environment. Yes, in fact 3rd August please do join. All the students body from Northeast are joining this. Delhi Delhi Assam Students Association
On the 3rd of August, the Assamese student body in New Delhi planned a Twitter storm with hashtag Assam against EIA to raise awareness against the draft.
যোৱা এটা সপ্তাহৰ এটা অন্যতম চৰ্চিত বিষয় যে দিহিং পাটকাই বনাঞ্চলত কয়লাৰ মুক্ত খনন কৰিবৰ কাৰণে অনুমতি প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছে। গতিকে অসমৰ মানুহে কোনেও দিহিং পাটকাই বনাঞ্চলত কয়লাৰ মুক্ত খনন হোৱাটো নিবিচাৰে আৰু সেইবাবে আমি অসমৰ মানুহৰ যি দাবী সেই দাবীক স্বস্বাক্ষৰে চাবৰ কাৰণে আমি অসম জাতীয়তাবাদী যুৱ ছাত্ৰ পৰিষদৰ এটা সজাতি দল আহি এই স্থানত উপনীত হৈছো এই স্থানত আহিছো আমি।
Anyone who wants to do their bit to save the environment can head to change.org and sign the petition against EIA Draft 2020.